Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to solve the issue that is default storage is not a function. So I'm basically what I'm trying to do is I will try to do I want to fetch all the files that we have in the storage. So I want to fetch all of the data and make a gallery or something you can make, or listing the files show somewhere else in the image slider or something. So I'm trying to do that one, but here I found a issue that the default.storage is not a function. So how to solve this issue? Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the important thing is that in the latest, if you are using the latest Firebase, so the issue is you have to add this one. So currently Firebase compact app auth. So currently this is the I have used the firebase storage, but it's not there. So you need to just copy this, and the correct URL is like this. Okay, and here you can see that compact storage, and now you can make this like this one code, like storage firebase.storage. Then you can use like this and then export the storage, get all file holders, firebase as a default, right? Let's save this and try to rerun this project. You can see the issue resolves, and I am successfully able to get all the files from the firebase storage, right? You can see that, right? So this is how you can solve that issue. The logic is like, just you need to use this one, firebase compact auth, because here the firebase, the latest one I have used. So make sure all of these settings you have imported here. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.